Hey everyone, welcome back to Bear's Workshop. I am Bear, and today we're going to be doing a quick review on something I picked up on Amazon the other day. This is a drill and a impact driver combo with batteries that we were able to pick up on Amazon. It just came in. It's still boxed up. I own, I don't know how many of these. I probably have 3 or 4 of the impact drivers and maybe 2 of the drills themselves. And they're getting a little long in the tooth, and this was a pretty good deal, so I thought I'd pick this up. The price on this was somewhere between $120 and $130, and then for like another 20 bucks ish, it came with this. Just that, you know, this is typically $20 or $30. Just the DEWALT screwdrivers and bits. So these are always a good deal. They always run out of them. They always disappear. So what we're going to do today is just open them up. I'm going to talk about the experience I've had with these, and we're going to see what kind of deal we really got, because I think this is pretty good, because this comes with 2 batteries and I believe a charger. The batteries themselves, if you go into Home Depot or go to Amazon to get the DEWALT batteries, they're typically $100 just for 2 of them. So to get a driver and a drill and 2 batteries and a charger, that's a pretty good deal for me. We abuse these pretty good. We use them constantly to repair our tools and just repair other stuff. So we're going to open this up, we're going to take a look, and I'm going to tell you what I think about these. Obviously it's probably something good because I just bought it after owning several of them. But in the box we have stuff. I'm just going to drop it right out. Comes with a bag. I didn't know it came with a bag. Another bonus. So in the bag we have the instructions. We've got the impact driver. I don't believe this is the brushless one, which I like better, but it's still good without it. We have the charger. We have the drill. And this is the adjustable kind, so you could put your torque on there, reverse switch, speed switch 1 and 2. And last but not least, we have our 2 batteries. Now these are the smallest batteries they make, but it doesn't hurt to have more batteries. We have these batteries floating around the shop all over, and we got chargers all over the place. But these seem to last longer than any of the remanufactured, not the remanufactured, the off-brand ones that you can get on Amazon. They're half the price, but I've had those fail, and I've never had these fail. The only problem I've ever had with any one of these is I have one of the drivers where you put the bit in and it just constantly falls out. There's a little O-ring that goes inside of these, and that appears to have broken. It's still in there because sometimes it holds it in, but most of the time it does not. So when you stick something in like this, it's supposed to just grab it, and you release it just by doing that. But I have one driver where you put it in and it just falls out all the time. It's very annoying because you forget about it and you grab the one with the bad chuck on it, and then you're walking around and you drop your bit. I've done it so many times. But we still have it around just because these always are in different places and you grab the one that's closest. But for what I have seen online, to get all this, the bag, oh, and they threw in some silica gel. That's awesome. I'm not going to eat this, but it's always good when they throw in the silica gel. That's like a special bonus. But all this was about $155 before tax. I don't know if it was a Christmas special or what it was, but it was free to me because I got a gift card from my aunt for my birthday. So I used that and I bought these tools. So charging base, the drill, and the impact driver. And literally I've been using these, DEWALT stuff for probably about 15 years. And I've never had any one of these break. I've got employees that have them in the back of their truck, and they leave them when it rains. They're in the back of the truck. It doesn't rain here much, so they kind of forget that it can rain. But I've had them get wet, not submerged, but get wet from the rain, and they still keep on working. So pretty good. These don't have the lights on them to tell you what kind of charge you have, so we're going to stick them on the charger. This is definitely not the brushless. I could smell the burning of electrical when I ran that. Maybe it's not the best in their line, but it's pretty good. This one didn't make the smell. This one made a kind of a funny smell, like something's burning. Maybe it's just from when they put it together, the coatings and stuff have to burn off, or maybe it's just a bad one, but we'll find out in the next couple of weeks as we use this, because this will get daily use. So will this. Chargers, I've got one over there, I got 4 over there, they're all over the place, and they have my DEWALT batteries on them. I'm gonna highly recommend the DEWALT stuff. These are just another addition to more that we have lying around here, but that was a great deal on Amazon. If you happen to see it, I'll provide a link to it. Not sure it's going to be up there forever, but real good deal to get 2 of these batteries, and a charger and 2 drills for basically 100. Oh, and this, it was 120 without that. So without this, it was about 125 or something. So real happy with this. Highly recommend anything DEWALT. I've had so little issues with DEWALT stuff. Others, I won't say their names. I've had stuff just break, switches break, levers break, and you just can't use them, or sometimes they're just not powerful. But we've got all sorts of DEWALT tools. We used to have the 18 volt stuff. Now all we have is the 20 volt stuff, and we bought a couple adapters for the old 18 volt stuff. Like we have a handsaw that uses 18 volts, but there's an adapter you can buy so that you can put the 20 volt batteries into the 18 volt ones. It's like 30 bucks, but it means you get to keep that tool for a real long time and then upgrade to the newer 20 volt. So pretty good stuff. I'm not going to start measuring the torque and all that stuff like that. Who cares? I mean, if it's torquey, it's torquey. You're going to know when you use it. I'm telling you, it's torquey. It'll get your drill out. Of course, as an impact driver, make sure that when you use it, you're not using it on something that where you're going to tear the head of the screw right off the screw, because I've done that plenty of times before. You can actually see that in another video that I've made, where this is probably better for just using as a screwdriver. This not so much all the time, because it is an impact driver and it will tear weak screws and bolts apart. So thanks for watching this video. We'll have more coming soon. If you like this video, if it was helpful, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button so you can see more content from us. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.